everybody, I'm Rose and today I will be doing a design this character again challenge sort of thing. Basically I've taken a picture from my old DeviantArt and I will be redesigning this character. I'm just starting off with a base for my character. It's been a while since I've drawn Sonic styled stuff, so I'm kind of having a bit of trouble in the beginning. But once I'm happy with a very basic shape, I just go over it and refine it a bit further, so I have a good base to work with. Basically, I'll be redesigning her normal design and her magic design. And you can find the old pictures on my DeviantArt. It's my Sonic OC Mirage, whom I drew not quite a lot, but every now and then when I first started out my DeviantArt account. So yes, I'm just adjusting the sizes and copy pasting it over so I have two bases for two of the drawings. On the left I'll be starting with the normal one, and on the right I'll do the magic one. So I'm just starting off trying to figure out what kind of style I want to go for with the eyes, because even back in the day I couldn't decide what I want to do with eyes, and it just tends to look weird to me if I do it as like one Cyclops-esque thing. I did decide that her hairstyle is gonna be very similar to what it used to be, because I honestly really liked what it looked like, so there's that. Overall, I'm trying to keep her design how it is, whilst also giving it a more mature or more modern touch. I decided to give her a crop top because, I don't know, I felt like hoodies were the only thing I drew back in the day, because it was the only thing I could draw clothes wise. So that's why I went with something that's different, something that younger me would have found out of her comfort zone. Same with the pants and her boots. I just had Converse back then, and I decided to just change those into actual boots, and the checkers pattern was also changed. So yeah, here I am playing around a bit with her shirt, because I'm not sure if it's too sexy to do like sleeveless thing, but I ultimately decided to just go with what I had. So now I'm just taking the colors I used in my old drawing, so I have a good color palette to work from. Here's me just doing line art, because I really like having refined line art. I tend to set my stabilizer to S-1 for that, because it feels most natural to me. So, yes, what else? Did I mention her name was Mirage? I think I mentioned that. I don't even know why she has a magic version in this. It's just I liked playing with designs back then, and I still do, hence why I'm redoing both. It's just strange to see how, you know, your abilities to design and work on characters changes over the years. So yeah, I'm now just adjusting the arm because it felt a bit too long. And yes, what I do is I select everything, invert the selection, and just fill it in with one base color. And then I just go in and do flat coloring, so using a skin tone for all the skin-esque parts. I decided a bit, like for a while, to see if I wanted to make her arms skin color or not, but then I decided against it because I thought it may look really weird. But yes, I'm trying to keep her color scheme similar to how it used to be, but also different. Like, as you can tell, I chose a less grassy green, something more, I went for a more muted turquoise. Now for the shading, for this I just painted everything in, like I made a new layer with one solid color, and I'm now just going over it with a multiply layer. And it's a simple and easy way to just do some very quick shading. Because I'm me, I just blend it in a bit, blur it here and there, give it some softness whilst also trying to keep the defined shadows. So yeah, and we're actually almost done with this. The only thing I'm doing after the shadow bit is that I'm going in and what's it called? I basically color her eyes, because I think painting or coloring yellow eyes or golden eyes is kind of tricky sometimes, because you have to shift your colors into a more reddish area. And yes, so this is basically the finished design. It's definitely more mature and different from the first one, but I feel like it still keeps her core personality. And yeah, I hope you like this small redesign video. I will definitely do another one with her magic design. And yeah, any feedback would be very much welcome. Subscribe to my Patreon and my YouTube channel, the usual stuff, yada yada. So yes, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!